I know they haven't gone through all we've gone through, all this training, all this hard work, all that I've gone through. I'm gonna go in there to win.
A matter of time until he discovers that too, that he's got the qualities to be anything he wants to be, either a great Olympian or a great professional fighter.
I gotta win tonight to fight them all, so I gotta go out here and do what I gotta do.
Show his thing. You already see my thing, what I can do with both hands, left and right, body shot or head shot, either way.
I know that I'm going to be defending my title. I just like to fight, I guess. I'm good at it.